Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in health and wellness. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of apple cider vinegar, a staple in many households for centuries. Is it really a miracle cure or just a myth that's been blown out of proportion? Let's find out together. First off, what even is apple cider vinegar? It's more than just a tangy liquid in your pantry. It's made from fermented apple juice, which undergoes a two-step fermentation process, giving it that strong, tangy taste. But what's got everyone talking is its supposed health benefits. From weight loss to blood sugar control, the claims are numerous. So let's break it down and see what science has to say about these claims. One of the most popular claims is that apple cider vinegar can help with weight loss. This has made it a favorite among those looking to shed a few pounds. Some studies suggest that it can increase feelings of fullness and help you eat fewer calories, which is crucial for weight management. But it's not a magic bullet. You can't rely solely on apple cider vinegar to lose weight. It works best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Think of it as a helpful addition to your overall wellness plan. Next up, blood sugar control. This is another area where apple cider vinegar has shown some promise. There's some solid evidence that apple cider vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels after meals, which is particularly beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes. This could be great for people with type 2 diabetes or those at risk. However, it's important to remember that it should never replace medical treatment. What about digestion? Many people swear by apple cider vinegar as a natural remedy for digestive issues. Apple cider vinegar is often touted as a natural remedy for digestive issues. It contains probiotics and enzymes that could promote gut health, similar to other fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut. Some people find it helps with bloating and indigestion, but remember, everyone's different. What works for one person might not work for another. Always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns. Now let's talk about skin health. Apple cider vinegar is sometimes used as a natural toner. Its antibacterial properties might help with acne, and its acidity can balance the skin's pH levels. But be careful, it's strong stuff and can irritate the skin if not diluted properly. Always do a patch test first. Safety first, folks. Now, let's talk about the acidity of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic. Drinking it straight can damage your tooth enamel and esophagus. Always dilute it with water to minimize these risks. A common ratio is 1 to 2 tablespoons in a large glass of water. This helps to reduce its acidity and make it safer to consume. Also, never mix it with certain medications like diuretics or insulin. Always check with your doctor if you're unsure. So, is apple cider vinegar a miracle or a myth? Well, it's a bit of both. It has some proven benefits, but it's not a cure-all. Like anything in health, it's about balance and moderation. Beyond internal health, apple cider vinegar is also celebrated for its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. It has been traditionally used to support skin health by helping to balance the skin's pH and combat bacteria that can lead to acne and irritation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.